Ethereum breaking down hard. This is crazy. So Ethereum just shot up 1,750, rejected hard, really hard. As you can see, it's already dropped. Let's look. Damn near 4% already. This is bad for Ethereum. This could be the dump that we've been waiting for. I was hesitant that ETH would actually go up beyond 1,800. It looks like it's not going to. This hourly candle looks terrible. This 4-hour candle is probably going to look terrible. This is not looking good for ETH. So if you're in any longs right now, you might want to consider maybe closing those if you're in a profit. Or if you're getting into a long, be careful. Because this just got rejected hard as hell. Where are we going from here? Well, in my opinion, I think we're going to go down, all the way down, back to 1,000, back to 871, something like that. Not today, in the next week, 2-3 weeks, something like that. You know, in my last video, I said if ETH were to hold this horizontal ray, which is this support at about $1,715 or so, it tried to do it. It tried to flip it into the support. It got rejected hard. This could be a major fake out too. It's hard to say right now. But with the looks of this on the daily, not looking good. If we break below this wick on yesterday's daily close, around 1,000, let me look. Let's see. Roughly about 1,678. It's going to look real bad for ETH. Real bad. And then obviously 1,660, even lower, it's going to even look worse. So let's look and let's dive into the charts real quick. Let's see maybe where ETH's going to go. So you can kind of see on ETH right now that it may have created a, oh yeah, descending triangle. It's looking like anything below about 1,680. See, but it's gapping back up again. Its volatility is crazy. My God. Look at that. ETH just shot up. Volatility is insane. If you're trading the markets, be careful. See, we just got rejected again, though. Just shot up 2% in less than like probably 10 seconds. It's trying to hold that. I don't know if it is. It's so hard to say right now. But if it doesn't, let's look at the scenario that could play out. So normally, what I would expect to see is, you know, we went up. All right, so let me draw this out a little bit better. So right here was our resistance, okay? We tapped that 1, 2, 3, went down, and then came up and broke it. So fourth attempt, it broke, and it went up. Now, in a couple of videos ago, probably a week ago, I made a video, and I said that we'd probably go down to 1,280, 1,275. We never did. We actually went to 1,350-ish range, which leads me to believe very likely that ETH will come down all the way down to here, because we never tested that previous resistance and flipped it into support. And I know you don't always have to do that, but guys, we're not in a bull market right now, okay? So that's a big difference in itself right there. If we're in a bull market, I'd say, all right, it could just keep flying up. But we're in like a bear market. I mean, we've been in a downtrend for I don't even know how long at this point. So what I'm looking to see is maybe a quick move down, 1,280. From there, I'm just playing it by levels. I really don't know if he'll break through. It'll probably bounce. I can't imagine it break through 1,280 first try. It's probably going to come back up. If it goes down to 1,280, it'll come back up to 1,360. Pop back up. This will flip back. This would flip into a support. Now this is how like I would expect this to play out, and this is like kind of what I'm looking to see if it's happening. I'm not in any trades right now, by the way. Also, guys, if you do want to trade, and if you want a good exchange to trade on OKX. Sign up with my link below. Do not forget to. You're going to get free crypto no matter what. Just use my affiliate link below. You're going to get a minimum of 1 USDT. You could get some free Doge. You could get Ethereum. People are winning like $800, like literally winning money off this, just off an affiliate link. So they're kind of doing the Bybit thing. And speaking of Bybit, Sign up with my link on Bybit too. There's trading discounts and there's a bonus too. 4,000 $30 bonus when you sign up with my link below. Don't miss out on that. Why would you ever why would you want to sign up without a link like that? I mean, you're missing out. You're going to get reduced trading fees. There's so many advantages to it, to signing up with my link, compared to just going onto their website and making an account. You're going to just make money out of it. You're going to get less trading fees. That way you don't lose as much money. It's a win-win, and it's a win for me too. So I hope you guys do that. Back to the freaking charts though. So let's do this. So as you can see, 4 hour looks terrible. Rejected. Huge wick moving down. Now this move down is pretty drastic if it does break. I mean, a bounce is imminent at 1,350. A slight bounce, probably not major. And then from there, it would probably go all the way down to 1,280. As I've said a week ago, I was expecting it to. It never did. It almost did. When I made my prediction on the 1,280, we were up here. And you can see it dropped like almost 20%. I caught that trade. I made about $7,500 in that trade. That was not a bad trade. I've been trading a lot of alts though, mostly. So that's why I said OKX is a really good exchange to trade alts. They have I think it was yesterday I made a video on it, or I was gonna make a video, so I looked into the alts. They have 144 altcoins you can trade with up to 75x leverage. Not recommending 75x. If you want to do it, feel free. That's on you. I'm just saying 75x on certain coins and certain setups can play out very, very lucrative, very profitable. So might as well. I don't think any other exchange has 75x leverage on any of these coins. And that's not what I mean. I'm not saying to go trade with 75x. Trust me, 75x is risky. I'm not going to lie. And if you're going to use 75x, if you want to actually do the 75x leverage, use cross. So how I would do it is, let's say you got $1,000 in your account. Enter a trade with $100 on cross on 75x. That way you have $900 as an existing balance in your OKX account. So your liquidation is going to be offset very far. If you do isolated leverage on 75x, you're bound to get liquidated pretty much the minute you open that trade up, especially on most of these alts, because your liquidation is going to be less than 0.5% away from your entry point. So that's just a word of advice. And I'm going to make a video on OKX too. I was trying to yesterday, but my daughter actually started making a bunch of noise and stuff, so I had to stop the video 10 minutes through and delete the whole thing. But I'm going to make that also today. I'm kind of just in a mood to make videos today, so I'm just going to go with it. So with that being said, let's kind of get back to it. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick, so you kind of know what I'm looking for on Ethereum. Let's look into Bitcoin and see what the hell is going on Bitcoin right now. So Bitcoin just got rejected hard, obviously, too. Ooh, look at that. Let's look into this real quick. Let's see. Something like that. I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin goes out in 21,200. And that type of a drop is going to be 10%. That's not bad. I might take a trade on Bitcoin in a short position, to be honest. Overall, though, ultimately, it doesn't look good. I mean, this doesn't look good. Yesterday, I was looking pretty good, bullishly, but now it's looking pretty bearish, especially if this daily closes the way it's already looking. If it doesn't go up much higher, and if it just stays even here and closes the daily around this range, it's not going to look that good, and we're likely going to head down. We have a new weekly candle. Let's look at the weekly actually, because there's going to be a new weekly candle coming up here. Hold on, I'm going to go to the BTC USD chart on Coinbase. Let's see what the weekly looks like. So that's what I was expecting. The weekly actually doesn't look terrible. Doesn't look too bad actually. The daily's still green actually too. It doesn't look as bad. But then again though, this kind of move, like this kind of like pattern formation, whatever you want to call it, just the way the chart looks to me, it looks like it's either going to just have a huge spike straight up out of nowhere, or it's just going to dump like very hard, like damn near like teleport vertically straight down, like to probably where the open right here is around 21.2, so 21,280 or so, I would say. And how you could play this is if you want to short Bitcoin, I would just play it like this off the 4 hour. I'm going to wrap this video up fairly soon. I'm just going to share a little bit more. So what I would do, so if you want to enter short on Bitcoin, place a target around 22,500. I would put like a take profit on maybe 50%, 30% of your profits right there. 22,570. Maybe another one right around here. Above these wicks, not on the wicks, but above them, because you might get front run and then not even get the profit that you're trying to get. Right there. And then ultimately, if we break 21.9, likely we go down to here. 20,750, 60 level. And that's kind of what it looks like. I mean, that's, to me, that's bearish divergence all day. So we'll see what happens. But right now, not looking good. Fake breakout, manipulated, massive dump potential possibly. That's it, guys. You have a great day. Check out those links. Sign up with my affiliate links. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.